What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. Happy Monday. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 16,318, down about 3%. We're starting to break down as we've been expecting on the channel and in the Discord. Currently, we're seeing a market cap of 310 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 27.2 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, I should have it open here, but I don't. Make sure to sign up. You can check out my full link tutorial. Link is in the description. Up to $30,000 in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, email me your sign up email. Free access to my Discord. And if you are in the US and you don't want to use a VPN, sign up to BitGet. Both incredible exchanges. All right. So we started to break down from our Elliott wave triangle, which is what we were expecting here. I did say there is a chance of an impulse, but I don't think it's probable. And now that we've broken below 16.2, it erases that 1-2-1-2 setup, which is what I was expecting. Now, we've broken below 16.2, which is this level of support. We're currently retesting it. So potentially what I'm looking at is seeing continuation down in some sort of, this could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete a wave 1, and then you would come down wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to bring you all the way down to at least 12.3k in my opinion. See a wave 4, see a wave 5, complete the larger wave 3. If I zoom out here, this is what we've been looking at, and it's been playing out to a T, where this large relief bounce here was a wave 4, and we're still looking to come down in a wave 5 to 10 to 13k. And what we're looking at here is that we've come down to wave 1. We ABC'd into a very long, drawn out, very, very boring wave 2. And now we're looking to come down in a wave 3. And within that wave is 5 waves. So you come down in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 3. See a wave 4 pullback, and your final wave 5 to take you down to 10 to 13k, which we've been predicting on the channel for many, many months now. So if you appreciate that, smash that like button. Oh my God, I'm so lame. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at here. Now, in the case, the bullish case that we do see a bounce, like a triple bottom, and we see a bounce, then we'd have to look at some sort of bullish wave count. But as I've been mentioning, I don't think it's a probable scenario. But of course, I always have to go over both and just tell you guys which one I think is more likely. That's all we can do as technical analysts. So jumping into our next chart, here on the daily, we've broken down from our bear pennant. And as you can see here, if we have a daily close outside of the pennant, I would expect to see continuation to the downside with the technical target all the way down at 11.8k. As I mentioned in many, many videos now, when you break down from a strong volume support, strong volume nodes, you're most likely going to find support. This chart sucks for it. I have to quickly pop over to this one. How absolutely embarrassing. You're most likely going to come down to your next strong volume nodes, which is in between 12 to 13k, which is previous strong trading volume. Usually when you break down from strong volume nodes, just as you did right here, and you're in no man's land, what happens is you fall down to the next strong volume nodes, which was down here in the previous bear market. And that's where we bottomed. And right now, the next strong volume nodes are in between 10 and 13K. And I think that's where we're going to bottom, in my opinion. Not financial advice, because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada who's currently in Bali. And it's very beautiful, luscious green. If you want to check it out, follow me on IG. I make travel reels. JAXX _IGC. I only have one account. All other accounts are fakes. I love to make travel reels with my drone and my camera. So if you're interested, make sure to like the reels, guys. If you're following me on IG, like the reels. It will push it out to more people. That'll be very helpful. Thank you. Okay. So looking at our next chart here, the Dow Jones, I've been expecting a bull trap. I keep repeating in the Discord. They're probably tired of me saying that. But we have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour on the daily. I think we're going to see a bull trap. Haha, goodbye. Drop back down into the pattern. And the price of Bitcoin will follow. Now looking at the DXY, we've been watching this 4-hour bullish divergence in the Discord. I talked about this rounding bottom pattern. We're starting to break out as we've been expecting here. So if we see a push all the way up to 108, see a nice little bounce bounce here for the DXY, that's bearish for the price of Bitcoin. Looking at the NDQ 100, we're still holding the trend line of this inverse head and shoulders, and we're holding the EMAs. So you could still push to the upside, but if we do start to lose this neckline, we roll over here. Not good for the NDQ 100. So this is comprised of the top tech stocks, and Bitcoin moves very closely with tech stocks for now. Maybe eventually it will start to decouple, which would be nice, but as of right now, it does move closely with the NDQ 100. But of course, Bitcoin has been showing so much weakness with all the bearishness. News is so bearish right now, which is a strong indicator of a bottom being near, in between 10 to 13K in my opinion. I am dollar cost averaging, and I will continue to load the bags because I believe in crypto long term. I believe we'll survive this bear market, and I believe by the next bull market, I will be a 7-figure man, and I'm very happy about that. And then I might retire. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Sign up to Bybit. It only takes 2 seconds. Make that first deposit or BitGet. Email me or sign up email. You have free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, posting their trades, posting all types of goodies. And at the 10 USD membership, we can sign up to the Patreon. You really can't beat it. Early access to my analysis, my trades. I also post news. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. And it's only $10 a month. So, you know, Big Mac meal is more than $10 with the price of inflation. Here in Bali, I have a delicious, healthy meal, rice, meat, or some sort of veg. Just beautiful. I'm not very good at describing it, but I had a chicken leg the other day, beautiful marinade, side vegetables with rice and these little flaky crackers on the side, and it was like $3.50. Incredible. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.